Council President, Mr. Domingo E. Heras, for that very warm welcome. And thank you also, sir, for that good news that you shared to us. Truly is so inspiring. And to give that inspiration burden in our hearts today, we are very much honored and privileged that this occasion is graced by one of the key persons in the Philippine Embassy. And to formally introduce our guest speaker for today is another workaholic, and mind you guys, she is single, ready to mingle. Ladies and gentlemen, our Board of Director, Norma M. Nove, to formally introduce our guest speaker.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to introduce to you our guest speaker for today. He is a Philippine diplomat assigned in Philippine Embassy in Riyadh. He holds the position of Economic Attaché in the embassy. He has been in the kingdom for more than a year working in the embassy and has been a part of Philippine Foreign Service for many years. He has been through the Philippine Foreign Service posts, one in the Middle East, one in Asia, and two in Europe. He went to Mapua Institute Technology and LACU for his architecture and foreign service courses. He is married with two grown-up children. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Philippine diplomat, Philippine Embassy, Riyadh, Mr. Bayani Del Valle.
I will limit my message. Siguro mga 5 minutes lang. Alam mo, naghihintay na hindi pa dyan sa kanilang mga certificates or diplomas. If you don't mind, I will be reading this. Wala kasi akong masyadong, hindi ako familiar sa extemporaneous speech. Bahala na kayo kung ano maintindihan nyo sa sasabihin ko. Basta sa babasahin mo. Mr. Domingo Heras, President of Council, officers and the staff of Council, and other distinguished guests present today, a pleasant good morning to all of you. It is a distinct honor and privilege for me as a representative of the Philippine Embassy in Riyadh to be with you this morning on this special occasion, the 30th commencement exercises of Comsofil. Of course, by now, everybody knows that Comsofil is the Presidential Panaag Awardee for 2010 and also the 2012 Gawad Henny Lopez Global Bayani Filipino Award finalist. Today is a day to cherish and remember. The day which will see all of those who have completed their respective courses walk across the stage and receive their well-deserved diplomas and certificates. It is during special occasions like this that we always look back and pay tribute to all the people that help us get here. These people are knowledge that our parents, huwag natin kalilimutan, unang-una parents, mentors, siblings, friends, mga kaibigan natin, and of course, Comsofil, without whom or without which we would not be here holding this event. Starting today, you will be taking your place among the fortunate and privileged. Some of you came here from families where further learning was expected and emphasized. Others may have had to overcome some obstacles to get here. But no matter where you started, you are all fortunate and privileged. Privileged in the most important sense of the word. Privileged for the fact that you have been able to get past this very important part of your life. Thanks to Comsopil, you now have boundless opportunity in front of you. For anything, continue to believe in yourselves, and at the same time, be strong, determined, and focused. In a rapidly changing world, prepare also to adapt yourselves to the changing times as you go along your journey. Do not lose your enthusiasm, sense of wonder, and most importantly, never stop learning. In closing, on behalf of His Excellency Ambassador S.A. Tago and all the staff of the Philippine Embassy, I wish all of those who have completed their tasks, I wish you all success, everlasting happiness, and fulfillment in the years ahead. A bright new tomorrow awaits all of you. To Comsopil, alam ko marami pang matutulungan kayo sa ating mga kabayan dito sa Saudi Arabia. Thank you and good morning.